In this video, I want to show you the two different fuse box locations on your Buick Lacrosse. The first one is in the cabin itself. If you go on the left side, you're gonna find a pocket over here that you need to open, okay? And now you need to pull it out because the fuse box is behind it. So let me just do it over here. So you see, try to pull it and these will not break, they will simply detach. So on the side of this box, you're gonna find your fuse box diagram telling you which fuse is which, so you don't have to guess. And right over here, this is where the fuse box is located. So it's very easy to find the one that you need. Now, if you didn't find the actual fuse box that you want, go ahead, open the hood. And once you're over here on the right side, this is the other fuse box. You'll have to lift this cover. If you don't know how, simply pinch these clips. There's another one over here. And this will be your secondary fuse box with, again, a diagram telling you which fuse is which. So thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.